Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to find winning ads for your next Facebook ads campaign. And before we get started, if you want access to over 500 plus winning ads, landing pages, videos, all winners, right, that produce results and that are going to get you leads and low lead costs, you could join the Badass Ads community that I have, and you can download that winning ads bundle. And we're always updating that bundle. If you need help running ads, you can post in the community. We'll help you. We also post winning ad campaigns. Like here we go. There's a sugar waxing business video. There's a campaign I posted with the results of that. And so you can see 417 leads at $6.69 per lead and $2,700 spent, which helped generate a 8 to 10 ROAS, return on ad spend, of $20,000 for this client. And I have that ad right here, so you could just download the ad and check it out and literally copy it for, any health and beauty industry. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing we're going to do is type in Facebook Ads Library on Google. And we're going to go check out the Facebook Ads Library. The Facebook Ads Library is a free library of all ads on their platform. So they're super transparent about who's running ads, what the ads are, and how long they've been running, but they do hide some information. So let's say that we're going to go check out an HVAC, right? We want to find a winning HVAC ad. So I own an HVAC business. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in keywords that the ad might show up for. So sometimes it might not, if you type in HVAC, you're probably not going to get, you don't really say, oh, HVAC in the ad. You might say AC install, you might say heating, right? And then you just click, and you just click right here, search this exact phrase or hit enter, and it'll show up. And if you know your competitor's Facebook page, you can type them in here. So, if you type in airflow, I think that's the HVAC person. There you go, absolute airflow and plumbing. If you want to see what ads they're running, just click that, and you can see all the active ads that they've been running, how long they've been running them, and boom, you can get winning ads like that. So let's go and let's try and type in AC install and hit enter, because that's what probably they're gonna advertise, AC install, on the text of the ad. So the next thing we need to do is, we see all these ads, but how do we know which one is a winner? Well, we're going to select filter right here, and we're going to select only active ads. Make sure you have this active status set to active ads. Then we're going to go back about a month. And a month, it might be too far, because sometimes they'll change the ad up, even if it's good. So I'd say we're like 3 weeks. So let's just go back to August 1st and then apply that filter. And then let's see what we get. Okay, perfect. So now we see ads before that have been running, or, started running on past that August 1st, or before the August 1st date. So these ads are working, but let me tell you something. Not all of them are working. Like this ad, I can tell you right now, just from looking at it, it is not performing. As well as maybe this ad right here, which I can tell this ad is probably performing and getting them some leads. So let's click the see ad details right there. And we could see right here, so they're saying tired of AC issues, get a new energy efficient AC unit for 0% APR. Perfect. It has their logo, it has their truck. Beautiful ad. This is probably performing pretty well. So that's an ad that you can copy. You can copy their offer, and then you see the text right here. You can see what they're, they have some reviews at the bottom, and what basically their messaging to the customer. So you can literally just copy it, right? And then let's go down here. So so this one is vents, AC vents. We're not really interested in that. So you can just tell which one is kind of good and which one isn't. Like this is probably good. End of summer sale, AC inventory reduction event, $900 off. This is probably performing well. If I had to guess, this is probably giving off, you know, $50, $40 leads for this. And just, you know, transparency, I know because I run ads for some HVAC clients. So I know which ads perform well, which don't. Here's a good one. So that's a good one right there. You could just tell which are good and which aren't good, right? And the video ones are going to probably perform the best for specific industries, but I've gotten them to perform well. But you'll be able to tell, like, let's see this video right here. Oh yeah. Okay. So this, I don't know if this one performs well, but I'd say maybe. But they've been running it since August 1st, so it's probably in the early stages. So if you might, I would be careful on that one. I wouldn't copy that. But that was pretty, you know, different. But as you can see, okay, so let's check this one out. No, that ad's not going to work. I'm sorry, it just doesn't work. So now let's go back and let's try typing in HVAC. So now we're going to get different ads because we put in a different keyword, right? But we need to make sure we have that filter on. So we're going to reapply the filter, go to the first, and then, okay, new customers, $25 off. So now you could get a good idea. We could scroll down and just get a good idea of what ads to replicate, right? Ooh, I like that. Don't sweat it. Bone is the way. But there isn't really any pricing. There's nothing about, I mean, you know, the more behavioral marketing you have in it, like limited supply, those are winning ads, right? And you can just tell which are winning ads and which aren't, because some of these ads, they might be spending, they might be okay with spending $100 per lead or $50 per lead or $7 per lead, but what your goal is to try and get a winning ad that performs extremely well and is extremely profitable, and your return is high. And to do that, you need the lead cost to be low, but the quality of leads to also be great. So the next thing I want to talk about is what happens after you capture the lead. So if you see this little fb.me right here, right? So let's say we find a good campaign. Let's just say this is great, right? We're going to pick this ad and copy this. What they're doing is they're doing an instant form campaign objective, meaning they don't leave the web, they don't leave Facebook. They fill out a form on Facebook and they capture that information, and then they do whatever with it. You send it to a CRM, or they send it to a nurturing process, or they get emailed the lead, whatever. If you see a website right here, right, and we click learn more, they're taking them to a website where the customer gets sent to a website and then has to like do something. So see that? So this is a instantly book now just for $99 to schedule your appointment for a furnace tune-up. So immediately they're being prompted that, and now the customer, you know, can scroll their website or do whatever. What you want really is to capture their information immediately on a landing page. This doesn't do that. They basically have to click, you know, 3 or 4 more times. I got to click book online, you know, and then they have this crappy little contact book us now page, which is, no one's going to fill this out, man. No one's going to fill this out. And so really what you want is you want to make it as simple, as easy as possible. So like they go to a web page and it's right here. Fill out the information, book now. It's easy, right? This is a lot better. This is really good, actually. I like this. So perfect. And then, you know, but I would probably put this form immediately at the top up here, which is great. That little contact us button just goes right to that form, which is perfect. I mean, I'd probably put the form up here instead of the button. And then I'd also put the form again down here if I was building this landing page. But, you know, I recommend starting with instant forms because it's quicker and easier to set up. And then if you want higher quality leads, sending them to a landing page with a great, easy way to capture their information. And yeah, so now that we've checked out HVAC, let's check out one more industry so let's do hair salon. Let's look at beauty, because beauty is actually very different than, Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, so this, if this happens to you ever, you just gotta reload it. So you gotta go to Facebook ads library again and just reload it. And so we're gonna do, okay, beauty salon. Let's type beauty salon. There we go. So now we're gonna go to filters. We're gonna go to active ads, and let's go to August 1st. 3 weeks. We'll give it 3 weeks. 3 weeks back. And now, as you can see, there's a lot more videos for beauty, because I honestly, if you're running a beauty campaign, you want to do a video ad. It makes more sense. So beauty salon, let's see. Let's find one that I think is going to perform well. Okay. Perfect. So that was actually a good video. And maybe what I would do is add some text like, hey, book, click down below to book now. Maybe add a price in the, the video. But that was good. I mean, it's super simple. It's 15, 20 seconds long. And then let's see, they click on the link. It takes them to this web page. Oh, wow. It's not even, it's just products, it looks like. It doesn't even look like it's a hair studio. It's just, yeah, it's not even, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, this one. There we go. Good sound. I like it. So this is not bad. I mean, these are winning ads. I would consider this a winning ad. They've been running since July 31st, and it's working, right? Let's see this one. Well, I don't speak Spanish, but that's pretty good too. Maybe the the voiceover is not that great, but I mean, these are winning ads. These work, and you just want to replicate specific ones like these, but you got to be careful, right? So this is how you find winning ads. And then remember, so if we typed in beauty salon, maybe type in hair salon like before, and you're going to get different ads. That's just how it is because of the keyword difference, right? So now let's do it again. And we're going to get some different ads now. See that? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so here's an actual hair salon. Wow, this one's good. Perfect. Okay, so they've been running this ad since July 7th. And this is great. I mean, this ad probably performs really well. And then they click book now, which I think takes them to, yeah, so it takes them to a Facebook instant form. They fill out their information to book, and then the studio probably contacts them. But this is an awesome ad. And if you ever want to download the ad, you just click it like that. You right click, inspect, hover over it like this, and then we're going to right click this link right here, open in a new tab, and there you go. And now we're going to click this and click download. And now you could take this ad, and let's say you film your little videos at your hair salon, you do all that, and then you go to Fiverr and you go find someone to replicate that, and you say, hey, you download this video, you send this to them, and you say, hey, I want something like this. And now we go on Fiverr and we type in Facebook video ad, whatever, and you look for a good video ad creator. Oh, Fiverr's down. Well, you know what I mean, right? You go type in Facebook video ad, and you look for someone to help replicate this. You got to have some good videos to replicate this. But I mean, this ad's insanely good. They probably hired a studio to do it. Probably don't need that if you're just starting out to replicate, Facebook ads, or, doing your own Facebook ads. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an ad I made that performs extremely well in the school community. So let me actually pull that up. 1 second. All right, so this ad that I made actually brought $5 leads. I did it myself. I'm not really a video designer, but you know, I know how to work CapCut and stuff like that. So, you know, the client didn't really have a budget to do a good video ad, but this video ad performed better than professional studios. And sometimes uglier is better, right? So let me show you it right now. Perfect. So if you see that one, I'm actually going to show you one more real quick. So the ad we ended up changing at the end to DM to book your appointment, because the campaign objective we ran was an engagement campaign with this that was asking them to direct message the client, which actually worked way better than saying book your appointment or fill out this form to book an appointment. So that's why I changed the ad to say DM. But yeah, I mean, that's how you find winning ads in the Facebook ads library. So it's a combination of like knowing which ad performs well, looking for ads that have been running longer than 3 weeks. I think 3 weeks to 1 month is the safe spot, and then knowing how to type in the right keywords to find, you know, those ads. And then if you want to see what your competitors are doing, you type in right here, you know, their Facebook page, and it'll just come up. Like, you could check out anyone's Facebook page and just see what ads they're running and see what they're doing, and then copy them. So yeah, that's how you find a winning ads campaign. That's how you find out winning ads. If you want that bundle, click down below. I'll post it in the description of the video, and can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye.